Imagine living in a world where your husband leaves you because you decided not to take your autistic child's life. Imagine the world bypassing you simply because you have an autistic child and they believe you're a curse. As apes, we stand to differ. Big for Tomorrow aims to equip such mothers with skills to make ends meet and empower their families. These workshops aren't just about culinary skills. They are about fostering confidence and breaking down the stigma and misconceptions surrounding special needs in Africa. This is more than just baking. This is a movement of love, understanding, and inclusion.